Josh. Where's your head? Good job. Where are your ears? Good job. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Where's your mouth? There it is. Where's your belly? There it is. Where are your feet? Where are your feet? Good job. Can you say Mama?
Mama.
That's right. Can you say Daddy? Come here. Josh. Are you done? Where's Josh?
I tried.
Where's Josh? There he is. Can you say Bubble?
Papa.
Can you say dog? Can you come here? Come to Mommy. Can you say fish?